try.
We keep on moving. We keep on moving along. We keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down.
We ain't slowing down.
Keep on moving. We keep on moving along. We keep on rolling.
Yeah.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby. Come and show me how. Gotta do it right now. You know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had a hit.
And another one. It's good. Good lady. Huh? What? No food. That man crazy. Come on, no food. My door closed. I'm gonna be eating. Huh? What? Air conditioned. Seat massager. Call button. Headphone. Blanket, pillow, your blinds. You want to see out the window. This is another one, man. Nice seats. Your button right here. This is your recline button. Pull it up. You can let your seat up or back. This screen, I want to say it just works with what they operate up in the front with their radio. So it's not touch screen or anything. Charging ports. Got your little handy dandy cup holders. Give you a water, cloth, cup holders, curtains. Close them up if you want to. So that way, you know, for your privacy. You want a little privacy. See there? Put your little privacy. It's nice, man. Pretty nice. Can adjust your air though. It be blowing. Like I said, I'm 6'3", 6'4". On a good day. Got a little headroom, you know, but my seat is reclined. Now to sit straight up, you know, you hit your head a little bit. That's just being honest with y'all. But it's still a pretty good room. I can stretch my legs out all the way. That's it, legs all the way down. Legs all the way down. So it's a pretty good room in there, man. Morning time. We're about 5 minutes away from our stop. Then from there we have a 20-minute drive. Waiting for our transportation. People out here hot and humid. We ready. We should be pulling up shortly.
A few moments later.